So the main traditional way of making steel is based on the blast furnace and the basic oxygen furnace.
It's an old traditional working methodology. In a blast furnace, you are mixing iron ore and coke and some limestone, creating a high temperature, so it's melting down the products.
The reaction is mainly due to the hot temperature and air that is blasted at the bottom of the furnace. Here we see practically that the result of this chemical reaction is liquid iron and carbon dioxide.
The iron is then put into this basic oxygen furnace, and you're using then oxygen and you refine the iron, and that becomes steel. Then the alternative is direct iron reduction.
The direct reduced iron process is practically a process that aims to strip the oxygen from the iron ore at solid state.
Instead of using coke, you are using gases. And the reduction is taking place between iron ore and the gas. So now, from DRI process, you don't get big iron, but you get kind of iron sponge. So you are not melting it down. That's the biggest difference.
This is in general much less energy intensive. The waste here is not carbon monoxide, but could be even vapor, so water, steam.
But how you do it? Are you doing it in the most optimal and energy efficient way?
So the main challenge is, of course, accessibility at a reasonable price of hydrogen. The technology is quite available, and of course is possible to produce hydrogen in safe manner.
It's a completely new kind of process. You need to bring in much of a know-how. You can go through and think about if there is a, let's say, lower carbon methodology existing, and then you can switch piece by piece to an alternative method.